Scientists just discovered a brand new bat in Sri Lanka called Hipposideros srilankaensis. This bat is tiny but remarkable because it has a unique leaf-shaped nose that helps it bounce sound perfectly in caves.
It was hidden deep inside Sri Lankan caves, and scientists only identified it in March 2025.
Its unique nose structure sets it apart from every other bat, making it instantly recognizable to researchers. If a bat this special could stay hidden until 2025, imagine what other creatures are still waiting to be found.